Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn try-catch finally block. So what is finally in Java? In Java, the final block is used along with try-catch. It's a block of code that always executes, no matter what happens in the try or catch blocks. So why we use it? It's very useful for cleaning up resources like closing files, network connections, or databases. Alright. So how can I use it? After try catch, I open my finally block. As I told you, it always executes. So I come here, I say system.out.println, and then I say this block always executes. Alright, so let's run my code. Let's run it. You see, I got an error. After the catch block, you see this block always executes, appear on the screen. If I have no error, so I change it from 0 to 2. Normal result is 5. So after the try block, final also works. So let's run it. You see, my result is 5. At the end, my final block executes 2. I hope you understand it.